Thinking about upgrading your backyard with a clean, modern outdoor space? Looking for stunning, modern concrete patio design ideas that are both stylish and functional? Searching for practical concrete patio ideas that work for entertaining, relaxing, or family time? Or maybe you want fresh backyard concrete patio designs that turn plain concrete into something amazing? Stay right here, because today we're sharing 15 modern and creative concrete patio design ideas to transform your backyard. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas. In today's video, we're exploring concrete patio ideas and backyard concrete patio designs that blend clean lines, smart layouts, and timeless materials for a polished outdoor look. Why choose concrete for a patio design? Concrete is durable, versatile, and low maintenance. Modern concrete patio ideas work with almost any backyard style. What defines modern concrete patio design ideas? Clean lines, neutral colors, and minimal decor. These modern concrete patio design ideas feel sleek and timeless. If you love modern outdoor design, hit like and share this video with someone planning a backyard upgrade. What backyard concrete patio designs are most popular today? Stamped concrete, polished finishes, and large slab layouts. These backyard concrete patio designs feel modern and intentional. How do I design backyard concrete patio ideas for small spaces? Use simple layouts, light colors, and multifunctional furniture. Smart backyard concrete patio ideas maximize space without clutter. Do you have a large backyard or a small patio space? Tell me below. What concrete patio with fire pit ideas create cozy spaces? Built-in fire pits with seating walls or furniture clusters. A concrete patio with fire pit becomes a year-round gathering spot. How do fire pits enhance concrete patio ideas? They add warmth, ambiance, and function. Fire features elevate even simple concrete patio ideas instantly. For more backyard and outdoor living ideas, check out the playlist in the description. What concrete patio lighting ideas work best at night? String lights, recessed floor lights, and wall sconces. Thoughtful concrete patio lighting ideas create mood and safety. How do I layer lighting for outdoor concrete patio designs? Combine overhead, accent, and pathway lights. Layered lighting enhances outdoor concrete patio designs beautifully. Love outdoor and modern home design? Subscribe for weekly inspiration. What concrete patio ideas with pergola look modern? Wood or metal pergolas with clean lines. These concrete patio ideas with pergola add shade and architectural interest. How do concrete patio ideas with gazebo differ from pergolas? Gazebos provide full coverage and a cozy feel. Concrete patio ideas with gazebo work great for dining or lounging. For more patio, pergola, and backyard design ideas, check the related videos below. What concrete patio ideas with hot tub feel luxurious? Sunken tubs, privacy walls, and surrounding concrete platforms. These concrete patio ideas with hot tub feel spa-like at home. How do I blend a hot tub into backyard concrete patio designs? Match finishes and keep transitions smooth. Integrated designs elevate backyard concrete patio designs effortlessly. What patio floor ideas over concrete are trending? Outdoor rugs, deck tiles, and stained finishes. These patio floor ideas over concrete refresh old patios easily. How do plants enhance outdoor concrete patio designs? Planters soften hard surfaces and add color. Greenery balances modern outdoor concrete patio designs. What's the easiest way to upgrade an existing concrete patio? Add lighting, furniture, and decor accents. Even small updates can transform concrete patio ideas completely. And that's it. 15 modern concrete patio design ideas to help you transform your backyard into a stylish outdoor retreat. From fire pits and pergolas to lighting, hot tubs, and creative flooring, concrete patios offer endless design possibilities. Whether you're starting fresh or upgrading an existing space, these backyard concrete patio designs prove that concrete can be modern, cozy, and beautiful. What would you add to your concrete patio? Fire pit? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more outdoor, backyard, and modern home design inspiration. See you in the next video.